examination.
Come again.
I got flying colours in my examination.
Oh, good for you. But I want you to work harder than before. Okay?
That's true. That's true. I want to work harder to get better result.
Inshallah, I will work hard and get best result in future.
I hope you are doing what you have to do. Prove it with your effort, and I want to see you make this all the time. Understand?
Well, Mom, I understand.
Sarah, I see you have been sleeping at the class. Do you have any problem?
I'm sorry, teacher, but I have no problem.
Next time, I don't want you to sleep in class. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Sarah, I see you always late in class and get reprimanded by the teacher. If you have a problem, you can share with me. We are friends, right?
My mom and dad always pushing me to make a good decision for the next class. So, every night I stay up for study.
Oh, I understand, but you cannot continue like this. Later, you will be stressed.
I know, but what choice do I have?
Hi, Sarah.
Oh, hi.
I always see you sleeping in this class. What's wrong?
I'm fine.
It's okay. You don't want to tell me, but I heard you always study at the late of night. Are you not tired of it?
So, what you want me to do? That's my daily routine as a student.
What if you don't have to study?
What do you mean?
Look, you always study at night, and so when you go to school, you don't have to study again because you already cover the topic.
It can't be that way.
Just do it. Your mom and dad will know about it.
Sarah, you always sleep in my class. You never do my homework. Always play around and do not focus when I teaching.
Teacher, let me do what I want to do. That's not your problem.
Sarah, don't be rude to me. Did you realize who you are talking right now?
Yes, I realized I was talking to a teacher. But my problem is not your problem.
I'm a teacher and my job is not only to teach but to educate you.
But teacher, you are not my parents.
Sarah, do you think you are talking to your friend?
Amanda, that's your friend.
Okay, teacher, I will advise you. Sarah, why do you say that to your teacher? He is our teacher. You should respect him and cannot talk rudely to him. Have you heard an idiom which is persistent in evil brings about self-destruction?
No, I didn't. But why he's so busy about me?
Well, he is a teacher. In school, teacher is our parents.
But he's not my real parent.
But he is still a teacher who gives us knowledge. If he is not satisfied with us, we will not understand what he taught.
That's not my problem.
Oh yeah, Kevin. Excuse me. This is Sarah's parents, right?
Yes, we are Sarah's parents. Is
Oh.
there any problem?
I will see first. Sarah, please come here.
I don't mind.
Sarah?
Alright. Sorry, but I want to ask you something. Did Sarah have problem at home?
What do you mean? I don't understand that.
I noticed that Sarah changed a lot lately. She does not do her homework, always sleep in my class. And sorry to say, but she always rude and her performance so good. I'm afraid if she has a serious problem.
We are very sorry, sir. Maybe this is our fault because we not educate her well and always push her to get excellent result.
Oh, but she get excellent result on her examination. She is a clever girl. Why do you push her at home?
So we want her to get excellent result.
Oh, I do understand why did you guys always push her, but I hope you do not push her because I think this one of reason why she changed a lot.
Yes, we know that, but we just realized that we always want her to get highest result. This is all our fault.
We are very sorry, sir, because it's make difficult for you. I hope you can teach my daughter to be Sarah Olberg.
Oh, okay, I will try.
Sarah, you disappointed us. We always remind you to study.
Mom and dad are very selfish. You don't even think about my feelings.
Sarah!
Okay, all of you can do your own homework and please keep
quiet. Understand, students?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, Sarah, please come here right now.
Yes, teacher. Do you have any problem with me?
Sarah, I'm your teacher, not your friend. Please have some respect.
Actually, what do you want from me?
Okay, look, I know your parents always pressure you to get excellent result at SPM, and I think what your parents do is right.
Yes, teacher. I understand that my parents want me to get a good result in SPM.
Sarah, you must change. You want and only your parents hope, and I hope you will outstanding on your result SPM.
Okay, teacher. I will do my best and thank you for your
Mom, Dad, I'm home.
Oh, Sarah, you home? How's school? If you have any problem, just tell me, okay?
Nothing happened. Dad, where's Mom?
Your mom is at kitchen. Just go there.
Oh, it's okay. I want to go upstairs.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Mom, Dad, I want to say something to you.
Wait, if you want to say something, just say it.
I want to say sorry. I make a lot of mistakes and I always talk harshly lately. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, we forgive you. Maybe that's our fault because always pressure you.
Your mom is right. This is our fault.
No, this is not your fault. I understand that you guys want me to get the best result in examination.
We hope you will change. Not for us, but for your own life. Okay?
Okay, Mom and Dad, I promise.
Hey, Sarah.
Say hi.
How about the exam just now? Can you answer it?
Alhamdulillah, I can answer it. How about you?
Same with you. Alhamdulillah, I can finish it.
Oh, that's great.
That's great. Let's go eat something. I'm really hungry right now.
Okay, let's go.
Sarah, congratulations on your good result in SPM.
Thank you very much. You too. Congratulations for getting excellent results.
Okay, so let's go meet the teacher, then we go to our parents.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So we got straight A's.
Yeah, that's right. I feel to think you teach us be patient and give a lot of guidance to us.
You also did a lot of exercise.
We want to thank you to you.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you, teacher.
You're
Mom,
welcome.
Dad, I got straight A's.
Yeah, we know. Your teacher just told us about that just now. Congratulations. That's my daughter.
We're really proud of you. Congratulations. Thank you, Mom and Dad. You are always support me.